We'll guide you through how to connect a Wix domain name. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix account dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Domains option on the left-hand sidebar and click it. This will take you to the Domains page where you can manage all your domain settings. Next, click on Connect a domain you already own. You'll be prompted to choose which site you want to connect the domain to if you have multiple websites. Select the website and click Next. Now, you need to enter the domain name you own. Type it in and click Next. Wix will then provide you with the DNS records you need to update with your domain registrar. This is often the trickiest part, but don't worry, it's straightforward. Open a new tab and log in to your domain registrar's website. Find the DNS settings or DNS management area. Depending on your registrar, this might be under Domain Management or Advanced DNS, or something similar. Here, you'll update the DNS records to the ones provided by Wix. Typically, you will need to change the name servers to Wix's, which are usually ns1.wixdns.net and ns2.wixdns.net. Once you've made these changes, save them on your registrar's site. Return to your Wix dashboard and click Verify Connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to